Good morning, champs. We solved the Riccati equation. Y prime equals y squared minus 2xy plus x squared plus 1. We are given the particular solution yp equals x. First, we recognize the type. We see a y squared term, so this is a Riccati equation. Now we quickly check the particular solution. If yp equals x, then yp prime equals 1. Now plug y equals x into the right side. We get x squared minus 2x times x plus x squared plus 1. The x squared terms cancel and we get 1. So yp equals x works. Now we use the Riccati substitution. Y equals yp plus 1 over u. So here, y equals x plus 1 over u. Differentiate. Y prime equals 1 minus u prime over u squared. Now substitute into the original equation. 1 minus u prime over u squared equals x plus 1 over u squared minus 2x times x plus 1 over u plus x squared plus 1. So u prime equals negative 1. Now integrate. U equals negative x plus c. Finally, return to y. Since y equals x plus 1 over u, we get y equals x plus 1 over c minus x. And that is the final answer. I recommend you to check my playlist on multivariate calculus.